Hi, my name is Justin Sun. I'm a designer here at Pacific Outdoor Living, and today we're going to talk about the Kumar project. The Kumar project was a very interesting project because of the existing conditions we were given. So they didn't want to tear their entire driveway, but they also wanted to create a space where they could have an outdoor kitchen along with a pergola and a spot for a prefabricated jacuzzi. They also wanted to incorporate a fireplace with a seat bench. So to tie all of the elements together was a designer's challenge in regards to the flow, correlating the materials and the color to match the house and give the vibe that the client wanted. Another thing that we really wanted to bring in was the sense of it being a traditional Craftsman home, right? Something very naturalistic. It has a lot of airy elements, very natural organic material. So we put the mulch for the planters. We had a little bit of the cobble rock and the river stones for the water feature. And we kept the planting in a very soft, very lush type of planting scheme to bring in that type of cottage, Craftsman garden feel to the property. One thing that was a little bit complicated to do was talking about the idea of putting a pergola where the driveway is currently, right in front of the garage door. They wanted something where they're able to grow vines on and have some greenery around it, not just a pergola sitting on concrete. So ultimately decided on keeping the flooring of the concrete, but cutting a 12 by 12 hole to put the pergola on, and we could plant some vines that will grow on the post and go over the structure. Another awesome feature was the fire pit and the seat bench around it. It was designed in a curvilinear fashion, so everyone that's sitting there can engage to each other fairly easy. The fire pit itself, we matched the top cap of the fire pit with the flooring of the space, so that brought in some elements from the floor to the fireplace, which was beautiful. One thing that I love about POL and the projects that we handle, we work in projects of all sizes. We work projects from just front yards to complete pool remodels with outdoor fireplaces and barbecue counters and these crazy, crazy projects. But one of my favorite projects to work with are those projects that are very intimate, those projects that are very personal to the client. With the Kumar project, it wasn't a very big space, but we were able to design something that could accommodate a lot of function and a lot of uses. Even with a lot of people there, it won't feel as crowded. We really care about what our clients are wanting to achieve, and we really care about what they are looking to do for their property. And we pay a lot of attention to the small details, especially during this design phase. It's really where we talk to the clients about how they're going to use the space, how many people they want to be there, and how we're going to connect certain areas to each other. Everything in this project was very custom, and that's what makes it so personal and intimate, is this idea that it's not made for everyone. It's not a cookie-cut design where I could take this design and plop it in the next backyard I'm doing. Rather, it's really focused towards them. It's really focused towards how they're gonna live their life out in that house and how they see their kids or their dog or whoever using that space later on. We're really engaged in a manner here at POL to make sure that whatever we are building is going to benefit your way of life. And in order to do that, going through our 5-step design process, that's how we really achieve that. By you, the client, understanding each step of the way, exactly what's happening with your project, what type of materials are going in, what the dimensions are, and exactly understanding how we're even gonna build it. Kind of prepares them and gives them, puts them in ease of trusting us with the design and trusting us with building it. Because now they understand that we're not just designers. We're here to build the project, and our teams execute the build of the project fantastically.
I hope you liked that video. At Pacific Outdoor Living, we have a unique 5-step process that allows us to design it right, build right, on time and on budget. Subscribe to learn more and click here to watch the next video.